Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We've got an unboxing and a giveaway for you in today's video. From the last FabFitFun winter sale, I did pick up a mystery bundle. You know I love doing those for you guys, so we're going to be unboxing that and giving away one of the items to one of you. Giveaways are really easy. Watch the videos in their entirety. Be subscribed. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. So FabFitFun, they are lifestyle, beauty, skincare, makeup, home decor, fitness, all sorts of good for you type items. It does come out seasonally for $49.99. And they do have add-ons, and one of the things you can do is like I did from their add-on sales, I added on a mystery bundle. I do have a code for FabFitFun if you're interested in checking them out. I'll leave that in the description box down below, as well as I do have some free starter boxes to give away as well. So let's dive in and see what's in my little bag and what we're giving away to one of you. They don't give a card for that, so I'm gonna have to look up all the items on my phone and let you kind of know. Do you ever have like you and your spouse fighting over the ports in your car? So this will help. This is the Silo 3-port USB car charger. Look how cute pink this is. It does retail for $29.99, and the 3 USB port charger is compatible with all USB powered devices, including Apple and Android smartphones and tablets. Charge 3 devices simultaneously at full speed with 5V 4.1A of dedicated adaptive power output. It is universal, that can be used with your phone, tablet, music player, GPS, or any portable device. It does have built-in safeguards to protect your devices against excess current, overheating, and overcharging. So that's kind of cool. From Summer & Rose, we do have the Riley sunglasses with a tri-chain. Kind of this rose gold. They're super, super pretty. And then here is the chain that comes with it. And that does also come with a little cleansing cloth. So because I have to wear prescription sunglasses, I am going to pass these ones along or do it for this giveaway. Retail value on these guys is 70 bucks, so never know. And then it does come in this kind of sturdy case. From Wish is a coconut shave cream. It does retail for $16. And Propellant Free provides a moisture-rich barrier for best smoothest shave for men and women. If you're used to shaving being a dry affair, you're in for a refreshing surprise. It's time to indulge your skin with the Wish Coconut Shave Cream. This thick whip provides a close moisturizing shave with no drying foam. Featuring a fresh coconut scent and no harsh chemical propellants, our shaving cream leaves skin feeling smooth and moisturized. Welcome to a gentler new world. It is 5 fluid ounces. So it moisturizes with plant-based squalene omega-3 shea butter. It soothes with green tea coconut oil, and it smooths with jojoba seed oil. Oh, look, here's the packaging. I am allergic to coconut oil, so this one is going to be given away in today's video or a future one. From Avant Skincare is Discovery Edit Moisture Surge Overnight Treatment. The Moisture Surge Overnight Treatment aims to treat, intensely rehydrate to give skin a healthier appearance. It does retail for $109. The Moisture Surge Overnight Treatment aims to treat, intensively rehydrate to healthy appearance. The science, which is rich in antioxidant, high in vitamins A and E, the combination of shea butter and sweet almond oil work as an emollient to keep your skin young and supple. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also aims to provide a thin coating of the skin barrier against UVA and UVB rays. So awesome. So that was a pretty good box. It's not my most outstanding box. I think that was 2 times ago. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of this one? Secret word is friendship. So let's give away that Wish shaving cream. It does have that coconut in it, which I can't use. And I'd rather give away that to somebody who can use it. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it that secret word and also your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed to the channel. You can get 3 extra bonus entries. 1, if you go follow me over on Instagram, that handle is BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. 2, if you follow me on Twitter, it's the same, BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And 3, if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am though not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through December 10th at midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on December 15th we'll do our spin the wheel where I will take all the names and put their first name and first initial of their last name in our little spin the wheel, and also put in there if they did do bonus entries. If you mark that you did do those bonus entries, make sure you do so because I do check. And then the computer picks and the computer, so don't ask to win because the computer is the one that does it. Then give me a couple days, I'll mail everything out to you. As soon as the giveaways are over, I do go ahead and delete those Google Forms. Your privacy is very important to me. Nobody else has access to that information. I don't sell it or anything else like that. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button and mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, which are a lot here on this channel. I try and do a giveaway from each of my unboxings. If you like this video, give it a big like. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking that out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway.